The automotive landscape is ever evolving, with manufacturers constantly refining their designs to meet the demands of a changing market. Among these transformations, Suzuki's Khyber model stands out as an intriguing topic. Originally introduced in the late 1980s, the Suzuki Khyber earned a reputation as a compact, reliable vehicle ideal for urban commuters. As we look ahead to the anticipated 2026 modified version of the Suzuki Khyber, it's exciting to discuss the anticipated features, design changes, and potential market impact. Fast forward to 2026, and the automotive industry has shifted dramatically. With emphasis on sustainability, advanced technology, and user experience, the Suzuki Khyber has undergone a renaissance. The modifications for the 2026 model reflect Suzuki's commitment to retaining its core demographic while attracting a new generation of drivers seeking contemporary features in a compact package. One of the most noticeable updates is the exterior design. While the original Khyber showcased a straightforward and functional body style, the 2026 version adopts a more modern aesthetic. The front fascia features a bolder grille, LED headlights, and sharper body lines that create a sportier silhouette. The new LED lighting technology not only enhances visibility, but also provides a signature look that defines the Khyber's presence on the road. Taking cues from Suzuki's global design philosophy, the Khyber's modifications include improved aerodynamics, helping to enhance fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The use of lightweight materials aids in overall weight reduction, contributing to both agility and better fuel economy. As consumers increasingly prioritize eco-friendly options, Suzuki's efforts to reduce the vehicle's carbon footprint will likely resonate with buyers. Inside, the 2026 Khyber presents a significant leap in technology and comfort. The cabin is more spacious with high-quality materials that lend a premium feel. A central touchscreen display dominates the dashboard, providing access to an array of infotainment options, from navigation to smartphone integration. The new Khyber is poised to feature the latest Suzuki Connect technology, which allows for real-time vehicle tracking, maintenance alerts, and remote control features, giving drivers more insight and control than ever before. Safety is paramount in today's automotive market, and the modified Khyber doesn't skimp on this front. Anticipated updates include advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping, assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. By incorporating these technologies, Suzuki aims to enhance driver confidence and reduce accident rates, particularly in busy urban environments. Under the hood, the engine options for the 2026 Khyber will likely reflect the growing trend toward hybridization. Suzuki may offer a hybrid version that blends a traditional combustion engine with an electric motor, appealing to environmentally conscious customers. This modification not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also aligns with government regulations aimed at reducing emissions. For those who prefer a more traditional driving experience, the new Khyber is expected to retain a gasoline engine option, providing a balance between performance and efficiency. One cannot discuss the Khyber without acknowledging its strong positioning in markets like Pakistan and India, where it has historically attracted a loyal following. The 2026 model is set to address these specific markets by incorporating features tailored to local preferences. For instance, the suspension system may be fine-tuned for handling the typical road conditions faced by drivers in these regions, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride. Moreover, the introduction of budget-friendly financing options could enhance its appeal. The 2026 Khyber is anticipated to come with a competitive price point, making it a compelling option for first-time car buyers and those seeking economical transportation. With the right marketing strategy, Suzuki could rejuvenate the Khyber brand, drawing both nostalgic customers and new drivers looking for value. As we project into the future, one must also consider the broader context of the automotive landscape. During 2026, the global transition toward electric vehicles, EVs, is gaining momentum, and Suzuki must navigate this shift while preserving the essence of the Khyber. This may involve introducing a fully electric variant, further diversifying the model lineup and appealing to eco-conscious consumers. In summarizing the anticipated modifications to the 2026 Suzuki Khyber, we see a model that respectfully honors its origins while embracing the future. The enhanced design, technology integration, and commitment to safety and efficiency indicate that Suzuki is striving to make the Khyber relevant in a modern era. As this beloved compact car reaches a new generation, it will embody a blend of tradition and